Something darling, you are so right. When I saw you and her talking, something deep down in my soul say crying out. When I saw you and her talking, to see you walk away from me, no. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to run to you, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free. Sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace. When that reflection in the glass that I had to my lips now, baby, reveal the tears that are on my face.
Gracias.